Introduction and disclaimer. This video shows all devices in a non-production environment. The devices, in most cases, are off or are fully unplugged from any external power source in order to clearly show the removal and replacement procedures and other aspects of the devices. The instructions in this video are current as of September 2014. Please consult the product manuals for the latest updates and instructions. Before watching this video, you should have already watched the caveats, disclaimers, and warnings video for required information. Before performing any maintenance, you will need to locate and identify the unit with the failed component. If necessary, have the customer take you to the unit with the failed component. If the work order provides an appliance serial number, verify that the serial number on the work order matches the serial number on the appliance. The serial number is an SYM number that is printed on a label located on the vertical post in the middle of the rear panel of the appliance. The NetBackup 5330 appliance uses 1 meter fiber cables to connect the 5330 base unit to the primary storage shelf. These fiber cables are customer replaceable units. In the rare event that the 5330 should lose communication through one of the fiber channel links to the primary storage shelf, a customer can elect to replace the fiber channel cables while the system is operational. The fiber cables should be replaced one at a time so that the appliance always maintains communication via one active fiber cable per host bus adapter. If you disconnect both fiber cables from both ports on one of the fiber channel host bus adapters at the same time, you may cause the appliance to experience a communications failure with the storage shelf. The rear panel of the 5330 appliance contains 6 PCIe slots that are numbered 1 to 6. Slots 1, 2, and 3 are located in PCIe riser assembly 2, while slots 4, 5, and 6 are located in PCIe riser assembly 1. All PCIe slots are initially factory populated, and each slot will contain either a fiber channel HBA card or an Ethernet network interface card, with the exception of slots 1 and 4. Slots 1 and 4 are reserved exclusively for attachment to the primary storage shelf using fiber cables. The 5330 appliance uses all 4 fiber channel ports of the 2 PCI host bus adapter cards located in slots 1 and 4 to communicate with the primary storage shelf. Any other fiber cable that may be attached to any other fiber channel HBA is a customer replaceable component and not considered to be part of the 5330 installation environment. The fiber channel cables are used to connect the host bus adapters on the 5330 to the fiber channel ports on the primary storage shelf. The 2 fiber channel ports on the primary storage shelf are called Channel 1 and Channel 2 in both canister A and B. If you look at the FC host connections on the primary storage shelf RAID canisters, the LEDs located directly above the connections indicate whether there is connectivity and, if so, at what speed the connection is operating. This may help you to determine which fiber cable requires replacement. When replacing the fiber cables between the 5330 and primary storage shelf, replace the cables one at a time using the following connection information. Connect the 5330 appliance, slot 1, fiber channel port 1, to the primary shelf, canister B, fiber channel port, channel 1. Connect the appliance, slot 1, fiber channel port 2, to the primary shelf canister A, fiber channel port, channel 1. Connect the appliance, slot 4, fiber channel port 1, to the primary shelf canister B, fiber channel port channel 2. Connect the appliance, slot 4, fiber channel port 2, to the primary shelf canister A, fiber channel port channel 2. Do not use the 5330 appliance fiber channel ports in host bus adapter cards located in slots 2, 3, 5, or 6. Do not use the 5330 appliance fiber channel 3 or channel 4 ports in the center canisters in the primary shelf. There may be other host bus adapters installed in the 5330 appliance. The same methodology of replacing one fiber cable at a time should be used when replacing the fiber cables of any of the optional HBAs. If replacing the fiber cable does not resolve the communication issues, then you may have to replace the PCI host bus adapter card located in one of the riser assemblies. Now that you have completed the replacement of the component, contact the customer and confirm that they are satisfied with the repair. After completing the hardware replacement procedures, Symantec recommends that you do the following. Remove all boxes and shipping containers from the installation area. Recycle materials as much as possible, and return any equipment or tools as needed.